Delivery of Luke.
Up.
Hello, ladies. Wow. It really doesn't matter how I pitch this. He's just
Like
he's down for what's going on right now.
chilling.
Handbrake! Handbrake! Is this not old yet?
Don't fall. Don't fall.
Yeah.
Figured it out now.
Yes.
Like, all right, ready?
All right, let's do this thing. Right now, he's thinking how much easier this is than walking. You are your father's son.
Every time you go to a hardware store, he's gonna go to the nearest dolly and just stand on it and wait.
I kind of want to just walk through Harbor Freight like this.
Our new stroller.
be like, I got the receipt for this. He doesn't speak a lot of English. He's not very strong. Just really think I'm gonna go for the bigger model.
All right. Are you done?
No. No.